Learn how to expand your business with line striping. So we recently had a conversation with James Tartaglia out in the east coast of Canada, a very good customer of ours. He added line striping and immediately said, it's the gateway for new business opportunity. Let me explain what happened. So he got called to do some work at a parking lot relating to line striping. That was like a $1,200 job. But when he arrived to the job, he actually ended up closing the deal on crack sealing and seal coating. It went from literally a $1,200 job to a $12,000 job. You see, adding line striping to your existing asphalt maintenance business makes sense because you already have the truck, the trailer, the crew, and it naturally fits. It's really a tight marriage right out of the gate from a line striping perspective, fitting into crack repair and seal coating. The goal is to provide as many verticals within the industry that are possible for you to monetize from. And the great news is, the point of entry from an investment perspective is all quite low. We have experts standing by to help you add line striping to your existing business.
Give us a call, 855-554-4386, or click the link in the description below.